All right, so for this problem, what we're trying to do is find the key piece of information for this graph, and hopefully look at this graph and say, oh, that's called a circle, right? Because that's what that picture looks like. It's a circle. It does have lines of symmetry. It actually has lots of lines of symmetry. It actually has an infinite amount of them, right? Because as long as a line goes through the center, then you'll have a line of symmetry. So that's kind of an interesting aspect of a circle. It does not have any asymptotes because it's just a circle. But as far as this graph is concerned, if you pass a vertical line through it, you are not going to get a function. That is because it touches the graph more than once in several different places. So the vertical line fails the vertical line test. The name of the locator point, I said it already, is the center. And that point itself is going to be at -1, -4. So it's at the point -1, -4. That is where that locator point is. And that is important for us as we write our equation. Now, the circle equation looks a little bit different. The general equation is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. And so this is the only equation that is not set equal to y. It's equal to r squared. Excuse me, get the squared in there. And what you also notice is that we're used to x minus h from all of our others, but we also have y minus k. So as you write your equation, you're going to do x plus 1 inside the quantity squared for the x value, and you add to it y plus 4 for the y value. That's the thing that a lot of students miss, is that you have to do the opposite of whatever this value is when you're writing your equation. Now, it's equal to your radius. We don't have an a value. We don't have a stretch factor here. So your radius is just when you go all the way out to the side or up or down, whichever direction you want. It looks like that radius is a 5, right? But that radius is a 5 means that this equation is equal to 25. And that is because 5 squared is 25. So remember that you have to do the opposite of both, or it looks like the opposite of both for when you're writing your equation based upon your locator point.